Hi guys, how are you doing and welcome back. So today I will be hosting my brother-in-law. He will be coming over for a couple of days and he told me to specifically make a certain dish for him which he loves so much. So today's video is majorly based on that. But before I get into the details, my little guy here is trying to put away the mess he made. He's been doing this almost every night, as in he brings the toys to the living room at night, then scatters them all over the place. So today he wanted to go play outside, but I insisted on him putting back the toys in the storage box before I opened the door for him. He did just that, although I helped him along the way. And I will just be doing a little organization in the living room and the kitchen before I start on preparing my brother-in-law's meal. I will not be vacuuming today because I did that yesterday, but I will be changing the throw pillow covers. I feel like today I'll be doing more of cooking than cleaning since the house is not that dirty. I did do some cleaning yesterday late in the afternoon, so today there is just a little disorganization which I want to sort right now, and I kind of just want to keep the house in order before anything else. The dish that I will be making today is vegetable rice with garlic chicken glazed in honey and soy sauce. My brother-in-law loves this combination so much. I really do not know why, but he requested for it. So that is what I will do for him. And I've already cleaned the ingredients, so I just want to chop the ones that are to be chopped and then prepare all the ingredients before I begin cooking. And guys, by the way, do you always prepare your ingredients first, or do you just do that along the way while you're cooking? Because for me, I always like to prepare them first because that kind of eases my cooking. I did forget to welcome our new subscribers to this channel. If you're new here, feel most welcome. My name is Phoebe Monicah, and this channel is all about home cleaning, home organization, and home decor. And if that is your area of interest, kindly consider hitting the subscribe button, and do not forget to hit the notification button so that you get notified each and every time I post new videos. So guys, right now what I'm doing, I had already boiled the rice, so I'm just preparing the vegetables, then add the rice, and then I'll be done. So guys, that's it for me today, and thank you so much for joining me and for watching. Actually, he just walked in while I'm serving this food, so I want to give him this right now. I could have filmed him while he's eating, but he's a shy one. So anyway guys, thank you so much for joining me and for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, kindly give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one.